Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your IBAN and SWIFT details on Wise. The first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and choose any currency account. Let's say this one for US dollars, so I'll select this one. And then what you want to do is actually come here, the top right, click on these three dots, and then you get a drop down. From here, click on Get Proof of Account Details. And then I want you to download this proof. It usually has your IBAN and SWIFT details for your Wise account. Okay, we could also do is go to Statements and Reports and then download a monthly statement for your account. So I'll come here, let's click on Create a Statement, and then you can choose your dates, your currencies, and download it in whatever format you want. Once it's created, just go ahead and click here on Download. And here you'll also be able to see your IBAN and SWIFT details for Wise in both of these PDFs. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.